it's a little bit of a slow start. I definitely wasn't happy with my game, probably 30 minutes in, but stuck with it and just got used to how this team plays. I think it's obviously going to be a work in progress, and I just have to make sure that I'm just getting better every shift and learning how to play with these guys out here, because we play a lot of fun with a lot of fun out there and a lot of speed and skill. And as it goes along here, we'll get fun.
Settling down a little bit to see one going in that for you.
Yeah, that always helps when you get that one to go in, and I think for me it was really just getting a puck to the net and hoping for the best. It seemed to be there most of the night, those shooting lanes, and it was just one of those ones that kind of look and everyone else starts celebrating before you, so you figure something good happened.
You've been through this before. You come to the new team. Is there a time frame? Is there where you start to feel comfortable? Because I imagine just 3 or 4 preseason games isn't enough.
No, I think it's just a matter of me getting myself up to speed. I think it's whether it's 3, 5 games, whatever it is, it's just on me to make sure that I'm going tomorrow, looking at some clips and making sure that I'm talking with the coaches and talking with Victor through some plays, and all those little things seem to help you as you get through games. And really what it comes down to is it's just not thinking. I think once the systems and everything start to become second nature, then that's when the game starts to become
Garden notorious for being loud, but how was that Emily Arena crowd?
Oh, that was unbelievable. Those fans were rocking, and even after they tied it up there in the third, we did a good job of staying positive, obviously, but the crowd doesn't get you down here. They're right there to pick you up after moments like that. That's huge.
I know you weren't part of it last year, but this team ran away with a lot of games in the regular season. Is it maybe better to have these types of wins, these tight wins?
Yeah, I think these build a lot of character for a team. Whether we're going through this now or game 60, it's important that we're finding those little challenges within the season. And, games right now are not going to be the cleanest, but we have to make sure that we're doing little things right and working hard and establishing our identity early and making sure that that's something that's constant throughout the year.
Kev, how was it playing with you? It seemed like you guys got stronger as the game went on.
Yeah. I thought we had a really good third period, and that was something that we just focused on coming in after the second. And we knew it wasn't the cleanest game yet, but we did a good job of being very deliberate with pucks and making sure that we were making the right plays and making strong plays and really taking care of our zone.